Dried figs are rich in antioxidants and fiber. They also have more calcium than other dried fruits. In fact, dried figs contain 5% of the RDI in an ounce, 28 grams. Moreover, figs also provide decent amounts of potassium and vitamin K. Dried figs contain more calcium than other dried fruits. A single ounce has 5% of your daily needs for this mineral. While figs may be best known for their inclusion in the famous Fig Newton cookies, you'll have to eat the whole fruit to reap its bone-building benefits. Chop up fresh or dried figs and add them to oatmeal, salads or Greek yogurt with some honey, cinnamon and slivered almonds. Alternatively, you can eat them whole as a quick, on-the-go snack. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body. Almost 99% of the body's calcium is stored in the structure of the bones and teeth. Calcium is a nutrient necessary for the growth and maintenance of strong teeth and bones, nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and secretion of certain hormones and enzymes. A deficiency in calcium can lead to numbness in fingers and toes, muscle cramps, convulsions, lethargy, loss of appetite, and abnormal heart rhythms. While you cannot control hereditary and some environmental factors, you can still lower your risk of less calcium by making healthy diet and lifestyle choices. A well-planned diet can help prevent less calcium.